with every bite. We all love fried chicken, chicken 65, and we all love biryani. When you want to cook these things, some people get a little bit worried, but cooking in a rice cooker is the easiest way of doing any of these recipes. We're going to use rice cooker to make the biryani, and we're going to fry the chicken, and this is going to be like a fried chicken 65 kind of biryani. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to learn how to make this fried chicken 65 kind of biryani. So first add some little bit of ginger and garlic and crush it. I always love fresh ginger garlic paste in a lot of my cooking because that's going to make it very flavorful. That's fine. In this, we're going to add all the biryani ingredients: mint, chopped coriander, finely chopped green chilli in this. In this, we're going to add some spices. So here, the bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, clove, and a little bit of Shahi Jeera. All the flavorings that we love in a biryani. Maybe one black cardamom and mace. In this, we're going to add rice. Just soak the rice for like 15 minutes and add to rice cooker. Now spread the rice on top of these nice herbs and masalas. In this, we're going to add water. For 2 cups of rice, we need to add 4 cups of water, and this is 4 cups of water, but I'm going to remove 1 cup of water away because I'm going to add yogurt 1 cup. Now in this water, add salt in such a way this water is like sea salt water. Always taste the water. It will be like sea salt water. Now in this, add the water. Just little bit of oil will make this nice and perfect. Put this in the rice cooker. Switch it on. Once this is all ready, when you just mix it, it will look perfect. It will taste perfect. Better than any restaurant biryani. You know, I've got less than 1 cup yogurt. Add some salt. In this, we're going to add the biryani masala. Mix this yogurt and this masala together. You can also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you add some butter. Your biryani will be super perfect. When the rice absorb most of the moisture, we're going to pour this on the top. Moisture will go down. The yogurt thing will be there. The fried chicken we'll put on top, and you will have a fantastic biryani. Chicken pieces, I've already put it in the salt water. I don't have to worry, they will come out excellent. We add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, some chili powder, pinch of garam masala. You know, the spices you don't need to add too much. A little bit of chopped curry leaf. Pepper powder, yes, that will give a very nice aroma. Some coriander powder, a little bit of cumin seed powder. Mix all of this along with some salt. Salt is already there, so be a little careful and add little less. In this, add little bit of corn flour, little bit of maida, but do not add too much. And if you add too much, they will all start sticking to each other. If they start sticking to each other, you may have to add little oil and mix it well. This is all ready to go into a frying pan. Most of the moisture is almost absorbed here. The rice is still really raw. So the moisture from the yogurt will go inside and will cook this rice. So 1 cup of additional moisture in the form of yogurt. Just leave the center on the edges, pour it in the center, just add some saffron color also and put the lid on. I have this oil ready and the chicken pieces are ready to go into the oil. You have to cook these chicken pieces till almost 95% done, or even you can cook it 100% done. By the time these chicken pieces are fried in the next 6-7 minutes, the rice also will be getting ready. All we need to do is put these pieces in there. Look at these chicken pieces, they are fried for 6-7 minutes and that should be good enough. Even if you remove the lid, nothing is going to happen. Just take these chicken pieces, put on top. Your awesome biryani is getting ready. Look at them. The rice cooker is still on, it's still cooking. All I'm doing is taking these chicken pieces, putting on top. These chicken pieces will get cooked by steam, and we haven't added onions. I deliberately did not add onions because when the oil is frying, I can fry these onions little bit and add on top of it. In few minutes, we have the entire onions also ready. You know, when you fry the onions, they get nice sweet flavor. Still the rice cooker is not off. Just sprinkle these everything. When the rice cooker in another few minutes it will be off, then we're going to let it sit like that for another 4-5 minutes. Then we're going to mix and serve. For this great biryani, I'm just going to make a pineapple raita. Add a little bit of salt, not too much. A little bit of chili powder and mix this along with pieces of pineapple. Just let these pineapples soak in this yogurt. You all know the yogurt and the pineapple are a great combination. A lot of curries are made with them. Raita ready. It tripped off. We're going to wait for another 4 minutes and we're going to serve the biryani. The biryani, everything is ready. All you do is just turn. Look at how carefully I am doing. You know, don't mess it up too much. Look at the way the rice is nice and perfect. Put the lid on and after 3-4 minutes we're going to serve it. You know, the chicken pieces are also perfect. When you do in the rice cooker, look at the way beautiful grainy the rice is. Wow, I need to pull out some nice chicken pieces to show you. Very beautiful. The yogurt, the biryani masala, everything is mixed well. So let's enjoy it. Have a look at this awesome biryani. Nice fried chicken 65 kind of biryani. I'm looking for that. Yeah, here is a big piece. This is what I love. And the rice also so perfect. When it's biryani, nothing else matters. So the aromatic basmati rice with this. For a lot of people who are not very confident with kachi biryani, they can try this fried chicken biryani. And the chicken nicely fried. The chicken is just melting in the mouth. Dear friends, excellent chicken, nice biryani, and of course we got pineapple raita. Even on a pizza, excellent pineapple pieces will be awesome. I'm going to enjoy it with this. Keep cooking and enjoy best of the best food. With every bite, just too good. Keep saying Vareva and enjoy great food. Wow magic with Chef Money.